You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Japanese football player name. For more names from football, make sure to stay tuned. The winger for the Premier League club Brighton. Kaoru. Kaoru is how it's said in Japanese pronunciation. Kaoru. So Kaoru. Kaoru. You can say it as Kaoru, Kaoru. Mitoma. Mitoma. Kaoru Mitoma or Mitoma Kaoru. Or in English, Kaoru Mitoma. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.